Hello friends, my name is Leah of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian Crochet increase and decrease. It is one of my most used techniques in Tunisian Crochet to make all different types of shapes, mainly triangles and squares. So if you are interested, keep watching. But before we get into the tutorial, if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video and share it to all your crochet friends and family. Comment down below if you have any questions and I will be sure to respond to them as soon as I possibly can. And also ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video or when I go live. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started into the tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using some acrylic yarn. This is worsted weight, and I'm going to be using a 6mm Susan Bates Tunisian crochet hook. Gorgeous hook. If you're interested in this hook, I will link it down below in the description box. Now it is an Amazon affiliate link. If you do end up buying the hook, I do get a commission from it, and it also helps out the channel a lot. Start off by chaining 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I turn it like this, and we're going to go into these back bumps. We're going to skip this one as we count this chain that's on our hook as 1. And then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to then we're going to go through, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Where they're going to yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So this is what we look like. So for your increases, where you need to be going into is going to be in between these 2 bars. So you're going to go through this bar right here. So you're going to be going through these 2 vertical bars in this space. If you look and kind of fill it out, you're going to have 2 of these. You're going to be going through this part right here. All right. So then we're going to take our hook, go through that space in between the 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then we're going to go through that vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. And now we're going to do another decrease to make that square shape. So when you're doing that, here's your vertical bar, here's your last Tunisian crochet stitch. We're going to be going through this hole right here. Go through the space, yarn over, pull up a loop. And now we're going to bring our work to the side so we can identify the last Tunisian crochet loop. And if you turn your work to the side, you'll see those 2 loops, and that's where we're going to go through. And then we're going to go to those both vertical bars, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now you should have, since you did 2 increases, you should have how many loops? 5. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for your return pass, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull up through the last one. Let's do it again. We're going to identify the space in between the first 2 vertical bars. Go through that space, yarn over, pull up a loop. And now we're going to go through our first vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Tunisian crochet simple stitch, another Tunisian crochet simple stitch. And now that we're about to do another increase, we're going to identify where the hole is. I like to spread my work apart a little bit. Go through that space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then identify your last Tunisian crochet, which is going to be this space right here, those 2 vertical bars. And we're going to go through both of them. Yarn over, pull up a loop. So now we should increase by another 2. So we should have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do our return pass. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see, we're gradually turning it to like this triangle shape. Let's do one more. Going through that space. Tunisian crochet simple stitch. All right, now that we got to the last stitch, we're going to identify the space in between the 2 vertical bars. Put our hook through, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then go through the 2 vertical bars for our last Tunisian crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We should now have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And do our return pass. All right, I'm gonna do a few more. All right, so I did a few more rows off camera, and so we are at 17 stitches on our hook. As you can see, we are increasing on both sides to make this beautiful triangle shape, and it's an even decrease on both sides. Now I'm going to show you how to decrease. I'm gonna go ahead and do my return pass as normal. So now we're going to go ahead and decrease. So looking, we're going to skip this bar right here. We're going to put our hook between the first 2 vertical bars and pull up a loop. And that's your decrease. And then we're just going to go ahead and Tunisian simple stitch until we get to the last 3 stitches. All right. Oh, no. Yeah, no, that's right. So, all right. So now we are at the last 3 stitches on our row. Let me point them out. One right here, one right here, and then we have our last Tunisian crochet stitch. What you're going to do now is go through the 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull through a loop, and there's your decrease. And then you would do your last Tunisian crochet stitch. Yarn over, pull through a loop. So now we should have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we did an even decrease on each side. Let's go ahead and do our return pass. All right, let's go ahead and do another decrease. So we're going to take our hook and put it beneath, put it behind 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull through both of them, and that's your decrease. And we're going to Tunisian simple stitch until we have 3 stitches left to go. All right, so now we have 3 stitches, 1, 2, and the last Tunisian stitch. We're going to go through both vertical bars, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then do your last Tunisian stitch, and there's your decrease. Gonna go ahead and do our return pass. All right. And I'll do that one more time for you. First 2 vertical bars, yarn over, pull through both of them, Tunisian crochet simple stitch, and from here you will be decreasing, because it's on both sides, you'll be decreasing by 2 stitches every row. Identify your last 3. 1, 2, and as you can see, we're starting to form those corners, and it's starting to take shape into a little square or diamond, depending on which way you look at it. So I'm gonna come back when I get to the last row. So I have 5 loops left of this project. I'm gonna go ahead and do the return pass. And then we're going to so now we're entering into finishing off the square. So what you're going to do is go through 2, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch, go through 1, pull up a loop, then slip stitch, and then go through your last Tunisian crochet stitch, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. And that is going to finish off your little itty bitty square. Of course, you can block it so it can be a perfect little square. But yeah, this is what it looks like. We did our increases. And then at whatever point that we wanted to start decreasing, we did our decreases and finished it off. And that's what it looks like. That's what the back looks like. So that's going to be it for today's tutorial, where I show you how to do an increase and decrease in Tunisian crochet. If you have absolutely any questions or need clarification in any way, make sure you put it down in the comment section below. Also, like this video if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more yarn and crochet content. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video, and as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.